Hello learners! Today we will learn about what is phonics. Phonics means learning the sound of the letters. Every letter in the English alphabet has its own sound. A sounds A. B sounds B. C sounds K. Phonics helps us to read words. First, we learn the sounds of the letters. Then we join the sounds together to read. Phonics teaches us how to blend. Blending means joining the sounds. When we blend the sounds, it forms a word. Here are a few examples how to blend. Cat, cat. D, g, dog. J, jam. And phonics also helps us to write. When you hear a sound, you can write the letter. This makes spelling easier. Phonics makes reading fun. When you know the sounds, phonics helps us read, write, and spell. You can read new words quickly and confidently. Keep practicing your sounds every day. Reading is fun.